Hello friends, Ace Botany next episode. Under this series, NCERT quick reference. And we are dealing with the sexual reproduction flowering plants, 5th part. Detailed note I already published in YouTube. This is for quick reference theory as well as NEET exam. So convenience, I will share the screen so it will be easy for you. Many statements I wrote there so to save time. So I will share the screen. I think screen came, so we can proceed. NCERT quick reference, sexual reproduction flowering plants, 5th part. Female part will be discussing Pistil, Megasporangium Ovule. All references based on NCERT March 2024 reprinted edition. So female reproductive part, which is otherwise called pistil. Pistil, or has got a synonym carpel. Pistil or carpel. Each pistil or carpel has got 3 parts. 3 parts. They are ovary, style, and stigma. Ovary, style, and stigma. 3 parts. Gynoecium with a single carpel, which is called monocarpellary. Monocarpellary. At the same time, gynoecium with more than one carpel, it is called multicarpellary. Multicarpellary. Among multicarpellary, when pistils are fused, it is called syncarpus. SYN means union. And pistils are free, it is called apocarpus, APU. And this diagram, this one, NCERT diagram, clearly showing hibiscus, papaver, and michelia, their nature, multicarpellary. Then syncarpus or apocarpus, diagram-based question, important for theory entrance. And this we will be discussing in last part of this episode. Now we can proceed to second part. When we come to second part, parts of a pistil, 3 components will be there. One is called stigma. Stigma is the area where pollen grains from anther lands. When lands here after pollination. After pollination. That place is called stigma. Now comes style. Stigma followed by elongated tube-like structure. Elongated tube-like structure. Diagram given there, so it will be easy for you. So stigma, this one, style. And last component is ovary. Ovary is the bottom, so bulged part or swollen part. Bulged part of the pistil. Morphology part. I think I did clear. Now comes the term locule. Locule means, originally means a segment or a chamber likewise. So locules means are one or more chamber or chambers seen in ovarian cavities. Connect with ovarian cavities, locules. And what is meant by the term placenta? Placenta are the ridge-like structures seen inside the ovarian cavity. And what is meant by megasporangia? They are the structures arise from placenta. And they are indirectly or otherwise called ovules. I think that part is clear now. Number of ovules. It can be 1. Typical example is wheat and mango. Wheat and mango. Now many, as in the case of papaya, orchids, etc. Now what is meant by ovule? Ovule is otherwise called megasporangium. More perfectly, it is defined as integumented, indehiscent megasporangium. Different types of ovules are available. Mainly 2 famous types. They are orthotropous or straight, and that seems to be most primitive, seen in gymnosperm and piper. Then second type is anatropous or inverted, advanced type, and most commonly seen among angiosperms. I think idea clear. When we discuss ovule in detailed manner, it's another NCERT-based, diagram-based labeling theory entrance question. First part is hilum. So diagram is here, it is labeled there, statement is given. Hilum means point of attachment, where the stalk of the ovule and body of the ovule, meets. Now funicle. Funicle is the stalk of the ovule. Here you can find everything marked there. Funicle is the stalk of the ovule, otherwise funiculus. Third is indegments. Indegment means body of the ovule is protected by these envelopes, indegment. Body of the ovule covered, protected. And next is micropyle. Micropyle means gaps or opening. So it is a gap or pore or a passage where it is in at the tip of the ovule, where the indegments are absent. So this is micropyle. Change the color. Okay, so this is micropyle. Now this is micropyle. Okay, now comes chalasa. Chalasa usually basal part of the ovule. Basal part of the ovule. Here you can find chalasal pole. Opposite to micropyle. This is micropyle, this is chalasa, so opposite. And this is typical anatropous ovule seen in NCERT figure 1.7. It's a labeling diagram-based theory entrance question. Now comes the term nucellus. Nucellus marked here. Nucellus means it's the body of the ovule. It is parenchymatous. Parenchymatous important. Within the indegments, cells have abundant reserve food material inside. Cells have abundant reserve food materials. Now inside is embryo sac. So what is embryo sac? Embryo sac is always called female gametophyte, and ovule generally has a single embryo sac formed from a megaspore. So I think idea clear. This is NCERT quick reference, sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Detailed note I already given, I told you. And female part is discussed, and it is fifth one. This way will be continuing for a quick reference NCERT theory entrance. If you like this episode, subscribe ACE Botany, like it, share it, comment on it. We can meet later with the continuation. Thank you. Take care. Bye.